Hello and welcome to Current Body. I'm Heather, Current Body's resident product expert, and today we're going to be talking about the Geneo, which is a new device which we have at Current Body, and we're really excited to share the secrets of its technology. So the company that have made the Geneo previously made the TriPollar Pose Stop and the TriPollar Stop V, but they also have an in-salon treatment device which uses a combination of radio frequency, ultrasound technology and oxygenation. This device harnesses the oxygenation element of the technology, and it is fantastic in terms of the results that it can give and the technology that it uses. So it's normally something which can only be done in the salons, but the way that the Geneo works is it releases loads of tiny little CO2 bubbles onto the surface of the skin. This triggers the body to release oxygen to the blood cells within the skin, and basically what it does is it boosts circulation and leaves you with a bright glowing complexion after treatment. It's a 2-in-1, so it will offer facial cleansing as well as the oxygenation, and it's designed to exfoliate and oxygenate the skin as well as nourish. During the treatment you just move in circular motions, and what it does is it activates the capsule to start releasing those CO2 bubbles. You will feel a few different sensations. Sometimes we do recommend just doing a small skin sensitivity test to just establish your reaction. Once you've finished, we recommend washing your face with warm water, pat dry with a towel or cloth, and then you can apply some of the anti-aging cream, which is like a really nice soothing balm that you can pop on afterwards. So the recommended retail price of the Geneo is £179. Having a single treatment in the salon is usually between £120 and £140-£150. It does vary, and 9 times out of 10 you have to have a course, so it tends to be the 3, 6 or I've seen 8 treatments that you can have. But with you getting the 4 capsules and the 4 personal gel treatments with the Geneo device, that's ultimately 4 lots of £120 potential salon treatments. So that's all from me, but if you do have any questions or you want to know more, you can get in touch with me at heather.t@currentbody.com. We have all the links to our social media in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe.